Last part of Module 5, Textbook Project, Document Template. And we've worked with templates before when we did the Creative Template Label Address, and when we did the Create a Certificate Award, we used the labels. So choose File in Word and select New, and then we're going to go to Resume and Cover Letters. And you can just take a quick peek at the different styles of resumes and how unique they are for future reference. And then we're going to scroll down to cover letter, and the one the book is asking for is called Cover Letter Blue, and you can see other cover letters. So if I select this one and I'm not sure if I want this, I can go ahead and look at the previous or the ones before, but I'm going to stay with the Cover Letter Blue. Gives you a little description of when you would use this particular template, and then choose Create. And the first thing we're going to do is select the placeholder for the date, and I'm going to type today's date. Notice no caps. When I get to the fourth letter, space bar to type the rest of the address, or the date, which is the current date. And then I'm going to click recipient name, and these are all placeholders. And when you click them, it selects all of it, and then you don't have to press delete, just start typing. So go ahead and finish typing in the information. And then for the last part, we're not going to have an address, city, state, and zip code. When you click it, it actually selects both lines. Just press delete and delete one more time for the blank space. And then we're going to fill in the placeholder for the title. When you click it, it selects everything. But before you type the name of the company, right-click and choose Remove Content Control. That way it won't repeat the company name in places that you do not want it. So it's just making this unique. So type the company name. And now we'll fill in the address with a www address, and then we'll click a telephone number and click an email. So just click and start typing. So continue filling in the placeholders in the letterhead, and then scroll down to the middle of the letter. Usually letters have 3 very short paragraphs, so when you select this one, and this is just a sample, it selects all of it, and you're going to just replace it with 2 very short sentences. So just go ahead and finish with 2 short sentences, and then at the bottom in the closing signature block, if your name is not there and it says your name, actually type your name. I'm just going to change the order of it, so it's my first name. And then we're ready to save. So File, Save As, and save it in the location where you save all your files for the class. And the name of this one is IL_DW5_contract letter, and save. And then what we're going to do now is save this as a PDF file, just in case you were to send it to someone that does not have Microsoft Office and won't be able to open it. Or someone that's using Google Docs and they want to be able to open it. So you're going to save it in a different format. So go ahead and choose File, and then choose Export, and select Create PDF. And again, put it in the location where you save your files, and it'll keep it the same name. That's absolutely fine. It's going to be saved as a PDF, and then choose Publish, and you'll get a sample of what it looks like as a published document. And this is something that someone would open if they don't have Microsoft Word or are opening it in Google Docs. And then we'll close out of here, and I'll go back into Word and close out of the original Word document that I saved. And then if you go to your documents where you save all of your information, you should see that there's both documents, same name. This is the Word document, and this is the PDF file. So if you were to actually open up the PDF file in Word, what you would do is choose File, Open. Oops, I did File, Close. File, Open. Go to where your files are. And I have a lot of files, so I'm just going to go to today's date. And I'm going to open this. Now I'm opening it not from the file folder. I'm opening it through Word. So then I can click here and then choose Open. Would you like to, this converted from the PDF file to a Word, and you'll say OK, and it goes back to a Word file. If I opened it up from here, it would be as not from Word. If I opened it from here, it's a PDF file. So that's a PDF file, but if I want to open it in Word, again, I did it from here and went to the file, got the same PDF file, but because I'm doing it through Word, it opens up as a Word document. So you can have it as a Word document or as a PDF file. And you can submit both the Word document and the contract letter and the PDF file in submissions in Blackboard. Thank you.